You know, he's always frowning, thinking of the problems.
Sit beside him.
Don't frown like him. Okay? But sit beside him and smile. Why? Because when you sit beside him and smile, the blessing that goes out of him will transfer to your face. Okay? You're so serious, huh? Now you're smiling. So I'll ask you a favor. Please smile to your seatmate. Right now. Someone. Okay? Please clap your hands for yourself. Now we are ready. You know, guys, before I continue, where's the eraser? There's the eraser. Okay? Before I continue, I would like to ask if you are really ready. Who wants to get rich? Please raise your hands. Please raise your hands. Okay. Some people didn't raise their hands. According to Matthew 9 verse 29, according to their will, it will be done. So I just have fear for you who didn't raise your hands. God is watching you right now. And you didn't raise your hand. He will not bless you. Just according to His words, right? Don't worry, I will ask you again. Who wants to get rich? Yes. Clap your hands for it. Now, this is the eraser. You know, another thing, if you didn't see my, because I don't want to use the, what do you call that, the projector. So for I'm not used to it. If you cannot see, you can come near. You can transfer near. Every time I see seminars, every time I do seminars, some people don't want to sit at the front.
Why?
I don't know. They always sit at the back. But you know, according to studies, those who sit at the front, who are much nearer the speakers, receive much more of the blessings.
Wow.
So you can transfer. You know why? Because may saliva is at the front. And those saliva are with magic. Okay? Number one, for you to become a businessman, you need to invest, right? But the good thing in our business, you don't need to invest, you just have to buy. And you're already part of the business. You just have to buy the starter's package. Starter's package is worth 41,888 Naira. Did I write it correct? Naira. 41,888 Naira. Then you will receive products worth of 45,012 Naira. So it's more than you paid for. What are the inclusions of that product? 9 boxes of C24-7. And I'm sorry. I'm just checking you out if you're listening. 6 boxes of C24-7 and 3 boxes of complete Phyto Energizer. The worth of those is worth 45,012. So is it value for money? If you sell all of it, you've earned already almost 3,000 Naira, right? But please don't sell all of it. Drink even just 1 box first. Because it's very hard to sell if you have not taken it first, right? It's very hard. For example, you are presenting to your brother, hey brother, drink this, this is good for diabetes, this is good for you. Have you taken it? No, you first. So you must take it first. Second, you will receive an ATM. If I'm not mistaken, it's Access Bank, right? Access Bank, and you just need to pay 1,000 Naira for the processing fee. What's the ATM for? You know, because in our marketing plan, this is weekly payout. A lot of companies, what you earn today, you will get it after a month, right? Yeah. But in A-Global, what you earn today, you will get it by next week. Hello? Okay? Please clap your hands. Okay? So, another one is 25% discount lifetime. So, if you're already a member, if I'm not mistaken, a single box of C24/7 costs about, how much is that? If I'm not mistaken, 4,000 naira. For SRP, SRP means suggested retail price. The price that you will give to the customers. But if you are a member, you just buy it for just 3,000 naira. Isn't it great? You have a big discount, lifetime discount. And the last is a website. Because if you will build a business, you need to have accountants, secretary, etc. Monitor for the monitoring. But the great thing in A-Global, the hassles of business had vanished because, please. Okay? Please clap our hands for one of our Philippine delegates, Mr. Art Ferrer. You know, he is a very great speaker, one of the most successful leaders in the Philippines. He's one of the people who will help you become successful also here. We will train you here in Nigeria. Please clap our hands for Mr. Art Ferrer. Now, another thing is the website. You will have your own username and password. It's like Facebook, okay? Very easy to control, very easy to open. And lastly is the business kit. But the business kit here is different, right? Of course, it is new. This is from the Philippines. You will have your own business kit for Nigerians. So these are the inclusions of the package. You just pay 41,188 naira, then you have this. Question, is it value for money? Is it value for money? Is it more than you paid for? Yes. So even if you don't do the business, nothing was lost. Okay, can you please clap our hands for the package? Now, the greatest benefit that you can have is this. Business opportunity. We have 3 marketing plans. Remember, 3 marketing plans. The first marketing plan, okay, you stay there, huh? The first marketing plan is the binary. The second marketing plan is the uni-level. And the third is stair-step. Now, do you have to choose? No, you don't have to choose. You will earn from these 3 marketing plans simultaneously. And we are the world's first network marketing company, international network marketing company, to have these 3 great marketing plans with their own advantages to be combined in just one company. And you know, we have a hybrid product. We have a hybrid marketing plan. You belong to the right company. You have the great marketing plan. You have a great product. And you belong to the very, very great history of the pioneering stage of Alliance Motion Global here in Nigeria. You know, number 1, let's talk about the binary first. You know, in the binary, as we can see with the name, BI, buy, it means 2. Bicycle means 2. So for example, who are the first timers? Can you see your raise of hands for the first timers? Okay, ma'am. We're not the first timer anymore. Who are the first timers? Yes, sir. You're the first timer. Yeah. What's your name? You don't mind? No, don't matter that. Don't worry. I'll call you later. I'm Roland. Roland. Okay, Mr. Roland. Okay, can I borrow your name? I'll return it to you after. Is it okay? Okay. Mr. Roland, this is you. Well, if you invested 41,188 naira, you will already have a website, okay? And we call that website the DTC, or Distributor Tracking Center, in which you can see at the binary, when you click the genealogy is like the family tree, okay? You will see left sales group and right sales group. For example, meaning, you know, the maximum income that you can get on our binary system is about 82,890 naira per day. Very small investment, but very huge potential income. How was that possible? Open your minds. Listen to me. Are you ready? Yeah. Now, how? You just need to sponsor or invite minimum of 2 people. Mr. Roland, can you have 2 people to join under your group? The Hulat time.
Yes.
Who in this group doesn't have 2 people? Introduce contacts. You don't have 2 people? Of course, we all know 2 people. Or, except if we forget about our mother and father. Right? Now, your mom and dad are already 2. Okay? Now, understand? So, Mr. Roland, you invited your friend. His name is A. By inviting him, according to our binary system, you will have a direct referral fee. Referral fee of $11 per person. Understand? So, you've invited another one, letter B. You've earned $11 from this one. You've invited B. You've earned $11 from this one. And the great thing is, for every person to the left and every person to the right, you will be earning $33. That's what we call the matching sales bonus. Now, of course, A also knows 2 persons, right? Because he is also a person. Now, he invited C. So, A was the one who earned $11, not Mr. Roland. Because he was not the one who invited C. Do you understand? Now, B also invited his friend D. He also earned $11. This is the question. Mr. Roland, do you know C and D? No. Were you the one who invited them? No. But the great thing in our marketing plan, even if you don't know C and D, even if you're not the one who invited them, you will still earn $33. Very clear. Now, what if A invited another one? E. Of course, A wants to earn also, right? So invited another one, $11 also from A. Then he will also earn $33 because he has pair also, left and right. Now, B also invited another one. He invited F. D earned $11. And the great thing is this: even if it's not in a perfect structure, as you can see, okay? Even if they don't join in time, at the same time. For example, this one joins Monday, this one joins on Tuesday. The computer will read 1 to the left, 1 to the right. It will also earn $33. Now, this is the key question here. This is the key question. Can you stop A, B, C, E, D, and S from recruiting people, from inviting at the seminar? From sharing the great product, from sharing the great opportunity? You cannot stop them. Right? You cannot stop a good news from spreading. If bad news spreads, how much more good news? Right? You know, Mr. Roland, if this happens to you, you will have a problem. What will be your problem? You will have $33, $33, $33, $33, $33, $33. You will be chased by $33.